What you need to know before traveling to Europe. Are you dreaming of the ultimate European adventure? Before you pack your bags, let us guide you through the essential information you need to know. First, let's talk about visas and entry requirements. Europe is a diverse continent with varying regulations for each country. Don't worry, we've got you covered with all the up-to-date information. The food. Europe is a gastronomic paradise, and each region has its culinary specialties. From creamy pasta in Italy to savory sausages in Germany, you won't want to miss any of it. The sights and sounds of Europe are like no other. But it's crucial to plan your itinerary carefully. We'll help you choose the must-visit destinations that align with your interests. Understanding the currency and the best ways to manage your finances will save you time and hassle during your journey. Embrace the local culture and etiquette. Learn a few essential phrases of the local language, and the locals will warmly welcome you wherever you go. Exploring Europe is a dream come true, and with our comprehensive travel guide, you can make the most out of your journey. So, what are you waiting for? Get ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Travel with Glen.